Modular smart speaker. A modular smart speaker is a cool and flexible device that lets you build your perfect sound system. Unlike regular speakers, it's made of separate parts called modules, which you can add, remove, or swap easily. Want stronger bass? Just attach a bass module. Need louder sound for a party? Add more speaker modules. It connects to your phone and smart home devices, so you can play music, control lights, ask questions, or get updates just by using your voice. Because you can upgrade your speaker by adding new parts instead of buying a whole new one, it saves you money and helps reduce waste. Whether you want a simple speaker for your room or a powerful system for your whole house, this smart speaker can change and grow with you. It's a fun and smart way to enjoy your favorite music and control your smart devices. Portable air purifier. A portable air purifier is a small, easy-to-carry device that cleans the air around you wherever you are. It helps remove dust, pollen, smoke, and harmful particles so you can breathe fresher, healthier air. Whether you're at home, in the office, or even in your car, this purifier works quietly and won't bother you. It uses special filters and smart technology to trap pollution and allergens, which is great for people with allergies or asthma. Many models can also get rid of bad smells and germs, making your space cleaner and more comfortable. If you live in a busy city or just want better air indoors, a portable air purifier makes a big difference. It helps protect your health by giving you clean air anytime, anywhere. Using this device is a simple and smart way to improve your well-being every day. With a portable air purifier, you can enjoy fresh air no matter where life takes you, helping you feel better and breathe easier all day long. Portable solar charger. A portable solar charger is a super useful gadget that lets you charge your phone, tablet, or other devices using sunlight. It's small and light, so you can easily carry it with you when you're traveling, camping, or just spending time outdoors without access to electricity. The charger has solar panels that soak up the sun's energy and turn it into power for your gadgets. This means you can keep your devices charged even when you're far from a power outlet. Because it uses clean, renewable solar energy, it's great for the environment and helps reduce pollution. Many portable solar chargers come with USB ports or even wireless charging, making them compatible with almost any device. Whether you're hiking at the beach or just out running errands, a portable solar charger gives you the freedom to stay connected without worrying about your battery dying. Rolls-Royce Spirit of Innovation. Rolls-Royce has built an amazing all-electric airplane called the Spirit of Innovation, and it's officially the fastest electric plane in the world. With a powerful 544 horsepower motor, it reached a stunning speed of 345.4 miles per hour on November 16, 2021. But this project isn't just about going fast. It's about making flying cleaner and better for the environment. The plane uses a huge battery made up of 6,480 cells, which lets it fly almost 200 miles on a single charge. This is one of the most advanced battery systems ever made for a plane. The information Rolls-Royce collects from this innovative aircraft will help create future electric planes that are quieter, greener, and more efficient. The Spirit of Innovation shows that electric flight isn't just a dream. It's becoming a reality that can help reduce pollution from air travel. Rolls-Royce wants to lead the way in building airplanes that don't harm the planet, but still deliver powerful, exciting performance. Self-driving bicycle. A self-driving bicycle is an exciting new invention that can ride itself without needing a person to pedal or steer. It uses smart sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence to balance, steer, and avoid obstacles all on its own. This makes cycling safer and much easier for everyone. Imagine a bike that can follow you automatically as you walk, carry your bags, or even deliver packages without anyone riding it. Self-driving bikes could be perfect for busy cities, helping reduce traffic jams and pollution by offering a clean, fun way to get around. They're also great for people who might find pedaling hard but still want to enjoy biking. With GPS and smart technology, the bike knows exactly where to go and how to get there safely. As this cool technology grows, self-driving bicycles could change the way we travel, making biking safer, smarter, and more enjoyable for all ages. It's like having a helpful robot friend that makes cycling easier and more fun. Self-healing concrete. Self-healing concrete is a clever and strong material that can fix itself when cracks appear. Inside the concrete, there are tiny bacteria or special chemicals that stay inactive until water or air gets inside a crack. Once activated, these tiny helpers produce a natural glue that fills the cracks and makes the concrete solid again. This amazing ability means buildings, bridges, and roads can last much longer without needing costly repairs. It saves money, time, and effort because the concrete does the healing on its own. This technology also helps the environment by reducing waste and the need for new materials. Imagine a bridge or a building repairing itself after a storm or heavy traffic. This is no longer just a dream, but a reality thanks to self-healing concrete. As this smart material becomes more popular, it could change the way we build everything around us, making cities safer, stronger, and greener. Self-healing concrete is a big step towards smarter construction, helping protect our homes and the planet for years to come. Smart mirror. A smart mirror is much more than just a regular mirror. It's like having a tiny computer built right into your mirror at home. While you get ready in the morning, it can show you important things like the time, weather updates, news headlines, and your daily schedule. Some smart mirrors connect to your phone or smart home devices, letting you control music, see messages, or get reminders, all right on the mirror's surface. They can even help with your health by tracking things like your skin condition. Smart thermostat. A smart thermostat is a super helpful gadget that controls the temperature in your home to keep you comfy and save energy. Unlike old-fashioned thermostats, it learns when you're home, when you sleep, and your favorite temperatures. Then, it adjusts heating and cooling automatically so you don't waste energy when you're away or asleep. You can also control it anytime from your smartphone or by using voice commands, which means you don't even have to get up to change the temperature. Some smart thermostats even give you reports showing how much energy you use and tips to save money. By keeping your home just the right temperature, these devices help lower your energy bills and reduce pollution, making them good for your wallet and the planet. Whether it's warming your house on a chilly morning or cooling it down on a hot day, a smart thermostat makes it easy to enjoy perfect comfort all year round. It's a simple upgrade that makes your home smarter, cozier, and more energy efficient, helping you live better without thinking twice. SP80. The SP80 is a very special sailing boat built to break the world speed record. It's 10 meters long and 7 meters wide, but what really makes it stand out are its unique features. Instead of regular sails, it uses a big kite that's attached to the boat by a long 40-meter line. This kite can fly up to 200 meters high in the air. When the wind catches the kite, it pulls the boat forward super fast. The SP-80 also has hydrofoils, special wings under the boat that lift it up out of the water. This helps reduce drag and lets the boat glide smoothly and quickly on the surface. Thanks to these clever designs, the SP-80 can reach amazing speeds of up to 50 knots, which is about 93 kilometers per hour. The kite not only helps it go fast, but also uses wind power in a clean and green way, making it environmentally friendly. Even though you can't buy the SP-80 yet, it shows how sailing boats can become faster and more exciting with new technology. The SP-80 is a perfect example of mixing smart engineering and nature's power to create a thrilling sailing experience. Stretchy scientists at MIT have created an amazing film that changes color when you stretch or press it. They started with a 19th century method used for early color photography and mixed it with today's advanced materials to make this cool, stretchy, color changing film. The possibilities are endless. Imagine synthetic leather that changes color as you move, or bandages that show pressure levels to help doctors monitor healing better. Architects could use it to design buildings that change appearance with the environment, or swimsuit makers could create suits that shift colors with water or movement. This technology can even change how packaging looks, adding smart coatings that react to touch or temperature. It's perfect for wearable gadgets too, making clothes and accessories come alive with color. What's great is that this film is easy and affordable to make in large amounts, so it could soon be everywhere. This exciting blend of old photography tricks and modern science opens up a colorful future where everyday things respond to you in new ways. From fashion to health and design, this stretchy, color-changing film is ready to transform how we see and interact with the world around us. Valkyrie Systems Aerospace. Valkyrie Systems Aerospace, VSA, a pioneer in advanced aircraft technology, has been selected to move forward in the A4X STOL, Short Takeoff and Landing Design Challenge. This competition, launched in April 2021 in partnership with the United States Special Operations Command, USOCOM, is looking for innovative, high-speed aircraft that can take off and land vertically in tight spaces. VSA's entry, the Hoverjet, has impressed judges with its unique blend of speed, agility, and versatility, making it suitable for both military missions and commercial use. The Hoverjet is designed to operate in challenging environments, offering rapid response, high maneuverability, and the ability to land where traditional aircraft can't. According to VSA founder and CEO Glenn Dawson, being chosen to advance in the competition confirms their belief in the Hoverjet's potential and capabilities. This milestone motivates the company to continue pushing boundaries in aerial technology. Warka Water Towers. Warka water towers are clever structures that collect clean drinking water straight from the air. They are designed especially for places where finding safe water is very hard. Inspired by the Warka tree from Ethiopia, which grows well in dry areas, these towers use nature's smart ideas to solve real problems. The towers work with a simple but effective method called atmospheric water harvesting. They have a special mesh net stretched over a frame that catches moisture from the air, turning it into water through condensation. This water then drips down into a tank at the bottom, giving people fresh and clean water to drink. What's amazing is that these towers don't need electricity or complicated machines. Just the natural humidity in the air is enough. Warka water towers bring hope to communities struggling with water shortages by giving them easy access to safe water. This innovative design shows how we can use simple, natural solutions to improve lives and help people stay healthy. It's an inspiring idea that could provide clean water to many places around the world, making a big difference in the fight against water scarcity. Water-powered car. Imagine a car that runs on water instead of gasoline. Clean, simple, and better for our planet. Water-powered cars use a process called electrolysis to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. The hydrogen is then used as fuel to power the engine, and the only thing that comes out of the exhaust is pure water vapor. This means no harmful pollution, just clean energy. This technology could help reduce air pollution and cut down our reliance on fossil fuels, which harm the environment. While water-powered cars are still being developed, many scientists and engineers are working hard to make them affordable and practical for everyday driving. Think about filling your car with water, driving far without polluting, and helping protect the Earth all at once. Water-powered cars could completely change how we travel, offering a green and sustainable alternative to traditional vehicles.